Matt at Funtown RV. Just want to introduce you guys to this beautiful Class C I got behind me. This is the Solera 24DSRC. Fiberglass body, 25-foot, 5-inch motorhome, guys. That is a great size for families, for couples, whatever you're looking to do, getting into those state parks and just having that easy ride, not being too big, getting on the road and really enjoying this summer. Above me, as you guys can see, I got this beautiful, nice awning. This is a one-touch awning, so you just touch it, it's gonna come out. You got the LED stripping going on the underneath, so it's gonna really brighten that campground up at night while you're sitting out and enjoying your afternoons. Again, going back to this fiberglass, decals, everything, fiberglass just makes things a lot cleaner. They're more durable. You definitely want in your Class C. It's a great option. Coming around to the back, we've got our tow and hookup areas. So this already has its 7-way plug already installed. So whether you want to bring the boat, the golf cart, any type of toys, trailers, you're gonna have that ability with this Class C. And again, you're not gonna be super long, so you're gonna feel comfortable towing that behind this vehicle. On the back side here, we have your water and city connections. You do have an extra TV connection right here, but your power, your water connections, and then you do have that outdoor shower, which will give you the ability to wash off your feet, your coolers, just to clean everything up before you go back into the RV. A great feature that you're gonna find in most Class Cs is going to be a generator. This has a 4000E flex power generator in it. This is awesome because whether you're boondocking, whether you run out of power at a campground or your site just doesn't have it, you're always gonna have power wherever you go, which that just makes traveling so much easier and more efficient. And again, you're gonna have more storage and access. Now this does have a light inside, so if at night you did need some light out here, you can just push that button. That's going to give you light inside that compartment. But a great place to put your power cords, put any extra tools, anything you need on your trip. Because when you're camping, you're going to have a lot more stuff than you actually realize. So having storage is a very, very important part. And with Class Cs, this is everything. You know, you're not bringing your vehicle along. This is your vehicle on the road. So more storage, more storage, more storage. Right here, you're gonna have your access to your propane. So you got that nice big propane tank right there. You can check your levels, but also your fills right there. So that way you can make sure you're not running out while you're out on your trip. Coming into the front, now this has that really nice black, gray, and white exterior color. Really nice and clean, sleek. But again, this is a great size, guys, just because it's going to be easy to get around. You're not going to be stressed out in traffic. You're going to feel comfortable, especially for that person who's never driven a motorhome before. This is really, going to give you more of a feel of driving a van or even a larger pickup truck. So you're going to feel comfortable on the road. It's a great size. You're not going to be in that big diesel bus feeling like you're a little out of control or out of your comfort zone. Now, coming inside, guys, I just want to show you some features that this is going to offer. This is a great floor plan. One of the most popular floor plans in the Class C world. You got your bed area in the back with tons of storage, your bathroom, his and her recliners, but then you got this kitchen. Again, lots of storage, giving you tons of space. Big deep sink right here with your spray nozzle so you can move it around. It's not stationary. And again, more storage, guys. One burner cooktop touch, so all you have to do, power on, power off, makes that super easy. Then you got your microwave, convection oven, great for cooking, heating things up. And then you got this beautiful double door refrigerator with that freezer drawer as well, which is nice and deep, so you're definitely gonna be able to pack everything in there before you go on your trip. And then also, you got your condiment sections, and it's great for a gallon of milk, eggs. You're gonna have a lot of stuff. You're gonna be camping, you're gonna be out on the road. You wanna make sure you have the space to accommodate everything you need. You got the TV already back installed for the bedroom, which is great because that way you can watch your TV in bed, relax on those mornings. remember, you know, you're camping, you're on vacation, you should be able to enjoy your time. One feature that I really like about this is a huge closet you don't typically see in a Class C. Tons of space, guys. You're gonna be able to fit all your clothes in there with your 3-door access here. That makes a really good amount of storage, along with this nice deep drawer. And you have a second drawer down here as well, but they're nice deep drawers, giving you tons of storage. All your clothes, everything can go in there. Now moving into this bathroom, you've got a nice spacious bathroom, guys. This shower in here, I'm a bigger guy. This feels very comfortable. My head's not in the ceiling with that dome roof. Gives you a lot of space, but you're not cramped in here. You have a place to room. It is bowed out a little bit to give you that comfort, you know, but a really nice space along with more storage. One thing Forest River does a really good job about is giving us tons of storage access all throughout the coach. And it's also about the little things, guys. Motion sensor light when you walk in, so that's automatically going to kick on once you come in. Now you do have the switches on your walls here, but those little things really make a coach. Coming back inside here, again, we've got more storage, and they're just trying to utilize as much space as possible, which is great because you're going to have a lot of stuff. Those week-long trips, or if you're going even extended camping, you're going to need all this space. Again, more storage. Now here we've got our his and her couches. Super comfortable. You got your table area here. But these are very comfortable seats. These will recline, and they are powered. So that is a really nice feature. Cup holders. You do have a little bit of storage right here. Gives you a little access. Now, coming up to here, you do have the JBL speaker system already connected. Speaker in and outside. Now, whether you have somebody coming with you or just want that option for someone to come with you, this is what's great about these Class Cs. With this front cap, you're going to get this bed area, kind of a queen size bed area. It does have a ladder that comes up so you can get in there. That's actually right here. But this is a great space. Now, let's say you don't have somebody coming with you. It's also a great space for storage. Your luggage can go up here. It's up and out of the way. Really, really different ways that you can utilize this space, but having it is great. Your TV will also swivel out from up here, giving you that his and her couch area, a nice view of the TV to where you can be very comfortable on your trip. Now coming down into the driver's seat, this nice black leather interior, 8-inch touchscreen, super awesome because that's where your backup camera, everything's going to be, your display, music, GPS, everything that you need for the trip to go that much smoother is going to be right at your fingertips. And then going on, you have a lot of options with the Mercedes class chassis. You've got your speed control, your driving control, everything's right here. Also you got a one-touch button right here, and then you can also change everything on your screen from these buttons. So you have a lot of different features with the Mercedes chassis and in this build particularly that you can use. Also, you have heated seats, so you can just click those buttons, be nice and warm on your travels, whether you're going cold or not. And then you do have power selection up at the top here. Just a ton of little features that, you know, little things are the most important thing. The more you have, the more comfortable you're going to be. You know, it might take you a little time to get used to it, but that's what we're here to teach you how to do. How to use everything. When you guys come in, we'll show you how everything works. No problem at all. I just want to say from everybody here at Funtown RV, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe at the bottom, and happy camping. We got this kitchen. Again, lots of storage, giving you tons of space. Big deep